Well guys, I hope you liked this video from Haulover Inlet. This time more boats than usual, but also I want to let you know that I'm gonna have to put some music on top of this video, as some people there were with a big boombox and the music was really loud, and I'm sure that YouTube is gonna penalize the video if they recognize the song. So I'm gonna try to hide it a little bit and let's see if it works, and if it doesn't work, who cares? At the end, I'm not making any money in this channel. So for now, anyways, I hope you like the video, and please leave a comment below, and remember that we are on Facebook, and that's the page where I'm putting all my effort. So if you have Facebook or Instagram, look for us and subscribe. This page in Facebook is called Boat Hub Miami. So go there and subscribe. For now, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.
Adventure has its own style. It's made of tall trees, unpaved trails, and at the center, the Subaru Forester Yacht, the 2024 Subaru Forester Yacht. It comes with 9.2 inches of ground clearance paired with standard symmetrical
Well guys, again, I hope you liked the video, and remember that I will be trying to post more videos here, but if you want to be up to date, then follow my account on Facebook or Instagram. So for now, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.